Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. After 7 months of break, guys, I've decided to continue and run this channel. I was very busy with my German channel. My mother language, my mother tongue is German, so therefore, guys, I run this one. Firstly, because that was my main focus, and also wanted to provide you the content on English. So, if you haven't watched my videos earlier, it's the time right now that you can join the CryptoMart family, and we are going to talk about several and different time frames with different chart pattern and also indicators as well. So guys, make sure you have subscribed, and I will start on the 4-hourly time frame. Today, guys, we can see this parabolic curved line, and this is a curved line that provides Bitcoin a very strong line of support. You can see that we have touched the support around this area, around $23,300, and saw like a massive pump from here on. And then, guys, we saw like a sell-off, and this sell-off, guys, the candle closed around this support and resistance zone around $24,277, but the wick, there was like more sell volume, but the volume was not like that much that we saw like the candle close around this area. It was like the wick close, and the wick close touched the $23,800 level, and this was previously like a very strong line of resistance, and we flipped this resistance zone into a support zone, therefore like support resistance zone, guys. And if Bitcoin will fall down again, guys, we have this parabolic curved line, and we are like waiting that the price could touch this parabolic curved line. We see a line that the price could really get like supported, and also therefore we could see more pump around this area, guys. But if Bitcoin is going to decide to leave this parabolic curve line, we see like a very massive support zone around $24,200. And also I want to talk about this one scenario, guys. This is a very bullish scenario. If Bitcoin plays out properly, this scenario could bring Bitcoin back to 30K, and why, I will show you right now, guys. This is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this potentially inverse head and shoulder pattern, guys, is well known as a bullish pattern. And this bullish pattern, guys, you will see it once again around this area in the weekly time frame. But firstly, I want to talk about this daily pattern. So guys, we have like a very strong line of resistance, and this is a neckline, but we made it and we break the resistance line, and now the resistance line is acting as a support line, guys. As you know, if we flip the resistance into support, very important zone to hold the line. And right now, guys, we are hoping for Bitcoin that it will hold the line around $24,700. If we could see like this move, it would be very nice, because this could be a retest, and if we have a breakout with a retest, it's like a confirmed breakout, and this confirmed breakout could bring Bitcoin back to higher key levels, and these higher key levels are what we are waiting for, because the price target could be only achieved if we have like proper support around the area. And if we also add the price target to the upwards, guys, Bitcoin could be back on track, and also the price target, the technical price target, would be around $31,300 approximately, and this would be very nice for Bitcoin, and also very bullish. But this is a pattern, guys, that we have to keep an eye on the mid to long term, not on the short term, guys. It's a daily time frame. I cannot forget about that, because the daily time frame is like very significant, guys, after the weekly and the monthly time frames. But it's a time frame that plays out for like a longer term, guys, not like not like an hourly time frame or like a 4-hourly time frame where pattern like breakouts immediately. And also therefore, guys, I want to continue talking about this weekly time frame, because this weekly time frame picks up the daily time frame once again. We can see our inverse head and shoulder pattern around this area, guys. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder as well. And our neckline here, guys, is very, very like interesting as well and tenseful, because it's the 200 weekly moving average. And the 200 weekly moving average, it's our first time this bear market, guys, completely went down below the 200 weekly moving average and played out only here, guys. The very, very supportive trend line was the rising trend line, and this is the rising trend line support for like 6 years. 2022 we saw like the dump down below here and the 15,000 key level hold the line for Bitcoin, and then we bounced like this once again and saw like a fallback one time again, and then Bitcoin made it, and this rising trend line continued to holding the line for Bitcoin. You can see, guys, when we go back in the like past, you can see 2020, guys, this bear market found the bottom on this 200 weekly moving average after this 1 year of sell-off, guys. 2020, and then bullish movement and very, very explosive movement. 2018 and 2019, guys, you can see after sell-off we saw like the bottom around this rising trend line within, and the also like the 200 moving average aligned with this supportive line, and then, guys, you see the bullish movement upwards. And 2017, guys, this rising trend line hold the line for Bitcoin, and then we saw like a massive pump from here on. You can see it. We peaked out and saw like 19,000 for the first time, guys. And therefore, guys, this rising trend line is very, very important for Bitcoin, and we have to hold this line for years on. And therefore, guys, this could provide Bitcoin always like the bottom area as well, because you can see we have like our bottom around this area. If we will not see more sell-off or Bitcoin decides to break down this one rising trend line, this could be the bottom, for sure. So therefore, guys, this rising trend line is very, very important. So what we can like see right now here is that we are witnessing right now the bullish flip on the Williams Alligator indicator. It was very, very close, because almost we saw like the bearish flip. You can see the green trend line flip downwards, and the central line, the red one, flipped upwards, and the blue line, like the support line on the bottom, guys, almost went on the top. And if the blue line went on the top, you can see it like where we can see it, guys. We can see it over like here, guys. We have the bearish flip here. When the blue line flips on the top, the green line went on the bottom, and the red line is always the central line, guys. We see like a sell-off twice and third again. Right now we have our bullish flip, and this bullish flip is holding the line for Bitcoin. If we see like a sell-off, this will be our supportive zone, guys. We will like continue going further upwards, and therefore, guys, this is very, very important support line. 24,000, 23,600 and 23,000. We don't want Bitcoin to like leave these zones. Therefore, guys, it's very, very important that Bitcoin holds the line right now, and we can continue going bullish and like achieving our bullish price targets to the upwards. I wanted to show you all these patterns and indicators, and also the price targets to the upward, and also our supportive zones, guys. If you like the content, guys, leave the thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it if you join the Crypto Melt family, and also can like push the subscribe button right now and leave a comment down below in the comment section. See you. Bye bye.